Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go, you click here on settings. When you just click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on appearance. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you click on, you click here on up bar buttons here. So then here can you select it in this list for end radio here or flag or edit node. So just click on it and here can you select it. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.